Good morning, my ma'am and my dear friends. My name is Kavita Barut. I study in first B. My science club name is Sangeeta Kapadia ma'am. Today we will experiment about this density. So let's start. First we add syrup and pour slowly. Then we will take milk and then oil. Dishwasher. Now we will add water. Now food oil. Now sanitizer. Now see how the color pattern is there. It is heavier than other. We can see and conclude that syrup is the most heaviest thing. Syrup is the most heaviest thing in this experiment. Then milk, then dishwater liquid, then water, then food oil, and this in this experiment mostly lighter is sanitizer. Thank you.